Want to unlock your next Nintendo Switch adventure, but you're looking to pay with Paysafecard? Let's explore how. Since you can't directly enter Paysafecard details into the Nintendo eShop, our key is to use it to grab Nintendo eShop gift cards. Head to an authorized retailer that sells Nintendo eShop gift cards and accepts Paysafecard. Popular options include supermarkets, gas stations, and electronics stores. Some online retailers also offer digital Nintendo eShop gift cards you can purchase with Paysafecard. Be sure the site is reputable before making your purchase. At the checkout, simply use your Paysafecard to pay for the Nintendo eShop gift card of your chosen value. Now on your Nintendo Switch, navigate to the Nintendo eShop icon on the home menu and select it. Once in the eShop, select your profile icon at the top right corner, then choose Add Funds. Select the option to redeem a Nintendo eShop card. Carefully scratch off the protective film on the back of your physical gift card or retrieve the code from your online purchase. Enter this 16-digit code into the eShop. Confirm the redemption. Your Nintendo eShop balance will be updated with the funds from the gift card. Now you're ready to browse the eShop and purchase your favorite games, DLC, and more. Enjoy!